I'm Brent Michael, and this is my presentation. PARC stands for Physical Activity Readiness Questionnaire. It assesses the safety of exercise by using self-recall and previous observations by the client in addition to a diagnosis by a doctor. After the questionnaire is filled out, it assesses the risk factors of family history, cigarette smoking, hypertension, hypercholesterolemia, impaired fasting glucose, obesity, sedentary life. A client must seek physician clearance if they answered yes to any of the PARQ questions or show signs and symptoms of cardiovascular or pulmonary disease, or are classified as moderate risk and want to participate in vigorous exercise, or is considered high risk and would like to participate in moderate or vigorous exercise. Low risk. Asymptomatic. Has one risk factor or less. A medical exam and graded exercise test is not needed for moderate or vigorous intensity exercise. Medical supervision of exercise test is not necessary for either max or sub. Moderate risk. Asymptomatic, 2 or less risk factors. Medical exam and graded exercise test is not necessary for moderate exercise but recommended for vigorous exercise. Medical supervision of exercise test is not necessary for submax but recommended. High risk. Is symptomatic, known cardiac, pulmonary, or metabolic disease. Medical exam and graded exercise test before exercise is recommended for moderate vigorous exercise. Medical supervision of exercise test is recommended for submax and. If medical clearance is recommended, information about the health status, physical limitations, and restrictions are required by the trainer to make future fitness program recommendations to meet the client's specific goals. New client with low risk. Assess capability, develop goals, establish an agreement, fill out PARQ, complete exercise test, review. New client with moderate risk. Assess compatibility, develop goals, establish agreement, fill out PARQ, complete submax exercise test, review results, refer to medical professional for clearance to perform vigorous exercise. New client with high risk. Assess compatibility, develop goals, establish agreement, fill out PARQ, review results, refer to medical professional for clearance to perform moderate.